Before diving into iContact, here's the truth. It's one of the leading email marketing tools out there, but before you hit the buy button, there are a few crucial things you need to know. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll give you the inside scoop on what makes iContact stand out from the competition, and whether it's the right fit for your business. First off, iContact is well known for its simplicity, which makes it a great choice for beginners in the email marketing world. If you're just starting to build your email list and aren't a tech wizard, you're going to appreciate how easy it is to navigate. Compared to something like MailChimp, which can feel overwhelming with its many options, iContact is more straightforward without sacrificing features. It's perfect for businesses that want to launch their email campaigns without a steep learning curve. Next thing you should know is that iContact has strong automation features. If you've used MailerLite or even ActiveCampaign, you'll know automation is key. iContact's automation lets you set up trigger-based emails, whether it's a welcome email for new subscribers or a cart abandonment email for e-commerce stores. While it might not be as advanced as some high-end platforms like HubSpot, iContact strikes a solid balance of offering automation that's powerful but still easy to use. The third thing to mention is iContact's email templates. Whether you're creating newsletters, promotional emails, or transactional emails, iContact offers over 100 templates. They're mobile optimized and designed to look great without requiring you to be a design expert. In comparison to tools like Constant Contact, which also has a similar offering, iContact's templates are clean and simple. But if you're someone who wants more advanced design customization, you might feel limited compared to a tool like GetResponse or even ConvertKit. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. iContact is competitively priced but can become a bit steep if you're looking to scale quickly. Their pricing is based on the number of contacts you have, so while it's budget-friendly for smaller lists, it can get expensive as you grow. In comparison to other tools like ActiveCampaign, iContact's pricing may be higher when you need more advanced features. However, if you're a small business or a beginner, their pricing structure is reasonable for what you get. The fifth thing is the customer support. iContact's customer service is one of the better ones in this space. They offer email, phone support, and live chat, which is essential when you're dealing with time-sensitive campaigns. When compared to other platforms like MailChimp, which primarily relies on email support for lower-tier users, iContact offers more hands-on assistance, making it easier to resolve issues quickly. Next, let's talk integrations. iContact has a decent number of integrations, but it doesn't have as many as some of the industry leaders. You'll find all the essential ones like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, but if you're using niche platforms or more advanced CRMs, iContact may not have the depth of integrations offered by platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. That said, for most small to medium-sized businesses, the integrations they offer will be sufficient. Finally, let's touch on the reporting and analytics. iContact offers great tracking tools that allow you to measure the performance of your email campaigns. You'll get open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates right at your fingertips. But if you need more detailed insights and customer segmentation, you may find iContact's reporting tools a bit basic. For more advanced analytics, tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit might be a better fit. But for the price, iContact provides solid reporting for the average user. So there you have it, the 7 things you need to know before purchasing iContact. It's an excellent tool if you're looking for something user-friendly and reliable. If you want to try iContact for free, head over to the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to a free trial, but you'll also receive some exclusive benefits to help you get the most out of your experience. Remember, while iContact is a great tool for beginners, it might not be the best fit for larger, more complex businesses looking for advanced automation or integrations. But if simplicity, solid customer support, and ease of use are what you need, iContact could be exactly what you're looking for. Click the first link in the description to try it out and see if it's the right fit for your business today.